see why you should get multiple income funnel with the 5 income streams. Let me show you why you should get it. First of all, you go there. That's where you start, and then you go into your training. First of all, let me show you all the links you get. You get a link. Well, there's a link attached to each capture page. That's why they call them links. But there's a whole bunch of them. You can get one or as many. You use one or as many as you want. I use more than one depending where I'm sending them to. Then you go back into the system again, and then you should see all the training you get with this. First of all, you get your weekly training. Then you get your marketing system training. This is really worthwhile watching because it definitely shows you how to become a better marketer. And you don't have to do all these at once. You can do 1 or 2 a day or whatever you have time for. And just, till you go through all of them. Then you go back, exit the training again, and you go back into the training again. And then you get your 7-step training, which is basically lesson 1 is work on yourself to become a better personality. Lesson 2 shows you how and where to get traffic. Lesson 3 shows you how to do your follow-up. Lesson 4 shows you how to do YouTube. Lesson 5 shows you how to do Facebook ads. And lesson 6 shows you how to block some time for this. You don't need much, but you do need some. It won't run all by itself. And then once you're in there, you'll see like lesson 7 has a few more bonuses in there that you can look at when you're in there. Then you exit training and you go back in there, and that shows you all your teams. And if you go in here, once you start advertising, it shows you all the leads you get with this. And you get an email with each lead, so be sure to follow up. The company follows up, but they want to hear from you if they want to work with you. So if you don't follow up, they probably aren't going to join. Then you got the leaderboard, and then you got resources. First of all, here it shows you if you click on there, it shows you all the businesses you got, and then you got the bonus income. I'll talk to you about that later if I don't forget. And then you got all your resources. First of all, you go in here and you get your email swipes. This is basically samples of follow-up emails you can use. You can use them or you can use your own, but like I say, you should definitely follow up because they want to hear from you. And then you go in there and it shows you all the banners you get that you can use for your advertising. Look at all these banners here, all the different ones. So you can use one or as many as you want. It's up to you. And then you go back in here again, and it shows you what you can use to do your social advertising with images. And then you got your Facebook posts, and traffic shows you where to get traffic and all that stuff too. And now, if we go back into the system again, let me show you. I think I pretty well show you everything already. And first of all, if you go in there and you get started here, first of all, you go to step 1, which Matt does the introduction of the program and tells you all about it and how to get started. And then you got step 2 and step 3, which you can put your own opportunities in if you have any. And if you don't have any, you can take a look at the ones I'm using. They're both great opportunities, and they're both under $10 each. And then you got step 4, which is basically your back office and also traffic authority, where you can get leads from. They've been in business for over 10 years, so you can get real good leads there. And I always forget to tell you, and Multiple Funnel System has been in business for over 10 years. So, 4 years, 10 years as traffic authority. And then, so you got all that, and then I'll show you the bonus. What I'm also doing, I got a bonus income, which I call number 5. This is another one I use to get traffic. For $1 a day, you get 100 leads, and at the end of the month, you have 3,000 leads, and you can email them every day, which the system is included with that. And if you get somebody in under that, you get a small commission, plus you get another 100 leads a day. So you could end up with 6,000 leads at the end of the month. that you can still mail all included for your $1 a day. Now let me see what else. I've pretty well told you everything. Oh, let me tell you some of the costs now. So you go back in here again, and if you want to, okay, step one, I told you about, does the introduction. Now, normally they have $97 for this, but right now they got a promotion on for $49 a month. They also have a yearly plan if you decide to go that route, and that costs you another $350. But if you get somebody in under that, you make it at $200 commission. And that's the route I took because you do make more commission and you don't have to worry about monthly payments for a whole year. So that's the route I took. And I already told you about step 2 and step 3. So, and I'm also going to put my contact information underneath the video, that a link where you can see Matt do the presentation, and with that same link you can join. And I think that's about all I'm going to tell you today. So be sure to give my video a like and subscribe to my channel. And I hope you're having great weather. We're having a fantastic winter this year. Well, I mean, we have no snow at all. And so I hope you guys are okay. I hear some parts of Alberta are supposed to be getting some snow today. So anyway, so we'll talk to you another time. So be sure to tune in next week for my next video. Bye for now. Thanks for watching.